What are the common mistakes you've observed, especially amongst the youth, trying to achieve success, trying to achieve their goals?
You know, even with my Instagram, you know, I get people reaching out to me. And some of the things that they say, I see a bit of a trend. Of course, it doesn't apply to all youth, but for some youth, I feel like they already want to start from the top and work their way up. I feel like some of the youth want to get rich quick or die trying, yeah? And in my experience, it doesn't work that way necessarily. You have to, you know, there's a scripture in the Bible, it talks about ants actually.
Yeah.
And that we should learn the way, I don't remember the exact quotation, but we should learn the ways of the ants and how they, you know, store, harvest. Because in other words, they're looking at their future. There's a lot to be said about hard work, as we said earlier on, and discipline. The mistakes we make, or I like to call myself a youth, but I mean, the mistakes I see some of the youth making is they're in a rush and they're missing the very important lessons that they can learn in life when they take their time. Because, you know, you can get somewhere very quickly, you know, make money quickly, but it's to sustain it can be the challenge. And if you haven't learned those principles, you're going to get somewhere quick, but you're not going to stay there very long. So don't be in a rush. You may see some things on social media. Sometimes you think I'm against social media. It's a very great platform. But at the same time, that platform, it can mislead people because some people have a curated life. Even me, for the videos I do you know how many takes it takes before I put a video?
They do not know.
They don't know.
Yeah.
There's a lot that goes on. So don't believe everything you see. And sometimes those are the things that people see and makes them in a rush. What are you in a rush for? You don't know where you can end up. So I feel like just take the lessons, have a goal, you know, use the tools, vision board, have the end goal in mind. There's nothing wrong with that. But don't be in a rush and miss the important steps. Because if you miss a step, you may fall.
Yeah.